Bring your skates and blades up to the skate counter this time. Please return them to the skate counter for us. Even if you have scooters, make sure you return those scooters as well. You guys have been great. Hope you had a good time, and a big thanks to Dr. Starks. And anybody with Dr. Starks' party are awesome. I'm lucky to have such a great doctor for you. It is now time for everyone to come off the skating floor. Classic Fun Center is closed. We'll see you next time.